much I earn on TikTok every day. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you how much money I make on TikTok every day and how I make money on TikTok. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below so that the video reaches out to everyone who needs this information, and don't forget to subscribe guys if you are new to this channel. Now let's get started. Now guys, most of you have been asking me how much money I earn on TikTok and how I make money on TikTok. Now making money on TikTok guys depends, sometimes it depends on how much time and how constant and creative you are. Sometimes you need to be unique to make money on TikTok. Now guys, me personally I generate income on TikTok through live gifts, video gifts, live subscription, and sometimes some individuals pay me to teach them how TikTok works, and others pay me to promote their goods on TikTok. Now guys, you have to be unique sometimes to get gifts on the live, because most of you guys have failed to generate income on live through live gifts guys. You have to be unique on TikTok live so that your viewers can find a reason to gift you. If you are not unique, they will just scroll away and they will not give you even a single gift. Now guys, if you want to be gifted on TikTok, you have to be unique and creative, and you have to put in time. That's why I told you sometimes making money on TikTok, you need to put in some time. Now guys, how much do I earn on TikTok every day? By the way guys, TikTok is the platform that has given us a chance to generate income. Even when you don't have a big following on TikTok, you can generate income on TikTok. As long as you have 1K followers on TikTok, you can start making money on TikTok. Now guys, as I told you that I generate income on TikTok through live gifts, video gifts, live subscription, and other ways. Sometimes it requires time to go live on TikTok. You need to put in some time, and sometimes I may find myself busy and not making a live in a week. But guys, minimally I make $4 a day on TikTok, and that's $120 a month on TikTok, and that's 430k Ugandan shillings. And that's my average income guys on TikTok. You can see it's a nice income for a beginner like me guys. As I told you, making money on TikTok, it requires some time. So if I put in much time and effort, I can earn more on TikTok. Don't give up guys on earning on TikTok, since TikTok gives us a chance of earning money online with a little following. So guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share the video to your friends if you found it interesting. See you in the next video.